dashboard. This is the final result. I'm gonna drag this here. Select all, home. Okay, like this. Then I come to this. Going to be like this. Then I have this. How many KPIs? We have 5 KPIs. Okay, then we're going to select this. Here we are. Then I'm gonna format this. I want 10, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, row 8, 20. Okay, and here I'm going to do the following. I'm going to data, and this is equal to this one, center. This is equal to this one. Okay, we will see this, how to set up this part with the information that we have here in calculation. Okay.